Hey everyone, so I know I have my cute reading earrings on, but today is all about math. Yes, today's pencil talk is all about my math print and go games that I just cannot wait to share with you. So every week on Pencil Talk, I come and share amazing classroom resources that you just have to have for your students. And today is all about math. So my print and go math games are amazing because they are just that, print and go. They are so fun, but yet so simple that you and your students are going to love them. The only other things that you need for these are little counters and a die. And that's it. Super fun. So let's see some of the games in action here. So there are over 70 different games included, over 70 different math concepts. So this ranges from anything from second grade all the way up into fourth grade standards. So it really covers a lot to allow you to differentiate for your students' needs. So you can see here, every math game is the same style. It's just different content inside the page. So the students are going to roll 2 dice, and they are going to match them like a coordinate grid. So they will have one here and one down here, and then they will find the matching corresponding spot, which would be right there, and then they would solve that problem. Answer keys are provided so they can check their work, and if they get the answer correct, then they get to put their counter on that spot. And then they keep playing back and forth with their partner over and over again until time is up, and whoever has the most counters wins, or whoever connects 5 spots in a row. So you can kind of change the directions there if you want to. But like I said, there are concepts for almost every skill and strategy from second to fourth grade you can think of. So this one I showed you just a second ago was counting coins. So you can see there are all the different images. Here we're doing 3-digit subtraction. It does go up to 4-digit. Here we have one converting decimals to percents, and we even have some with 3D shapes. And yes, these do come color and black and white. So I only printed off 4, but like I said, this is over 70 page resource. So you have all kinds of math games that you can print and have ready to go. Laminate them once, and you're done laminating math games for years to come. So these are so much fun. They're just like my grammar games. So if you have those, you're going to want these. If you get these, you're going to want to get the grammar games. So make sure to look for that as well. These are so fun. Your students are going to love them. And like I said, they're easy, print and go. What else could you want? So make sure to go and check them out. The link is in the video description. Click that show more button if you can't find it, and go and check these out, and I just know you're going to love them. Thanks for tuning in to today's Pencil Talk, and I'll see you next time.